So, buksan natin ang parcel. Buksan natin kung ano yung laman ng parcel na ito. So, for today's video, magbubukas ako ng parcel. Ayan, mamaya, tingnan natin kung saan galing, no? Buksan natin. I hope na masaya kayo yung mga nanood, okay? Wala akong kaalam-alam nito. I don't know. Anong laman? Diyos ko. Hoy, Ginoo, ano to? Raquel de Brancat. Oh my, Raquel de Brancat. Wala namang ibang Raquel de Brancat. Ako lang eh.
I think I see Mickey Mouse.
Raquel de Brancat. Oh, wow.
It's Mickey Mouse.
Wow.
Wow.
This.
Disney. It's a happy one.
Huh? Hala. Cute.
Somebody named Louis Vuitton.
Huh?
Somebody named Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton.
Yeah, him too.
Hala. Hala. Hala, ang ganda guys. Ginoo ko. Kahit
That's
paano na.
cute.
It's cute. Napatawa ako. Tiden, tiden, tiden. Hala, suotin ko nga daw. Hala, oh. Bago, oh. Bago. Mickey Mouse. Hala. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Suotin ko. Bango pa. Wow, I love it. O, di. Suotin ko ito. Pantulog ba ito? Pantulog? Hala, Louis Vuitton. What's this? Louis Vuitton? Ha? Chin, chiririn, chin. Hala, ang ganda guys. Oh, wow, bagay sa akin. My goodness, I love it. Sa nagbigay nito, thank you very much. I love it.
So who it's from?
Si Ana hindi makaantay. Sabi niya, tell who, saan daw galing? Ayan. Thank you. Ayan, nagpapasalamat ako at thank you. I love it kay Mambay TV Canada. I love you, Mambay. Thank you. Ayan, basahin natin ang card ni Mambay. Ayan, this is the card. As a spiritual gift, you will be remembered by the Carmelites in their daily masses and prayers. Dearest Mom Raquel. Birthday presents pala ito. Birthday gift. Dearest Mom Raquel, may God continue to bless with plenty of wonderful surprise in life. Happy birthday. Love always, Bay. True friends are, ano to, never spend, never, maybe in distance but never in heart, never apart. Oh, true friends are never apart, maybe in distance but never in heart. Correct. Ayan, June 12. Pa-happy birthday pala to ni Ma'am Bay. Ayan, Ma'am Bay, thank you very much. You are so sweet, Ma'am Bay. You are so sweet. Thank you very, very much. Nakailan ka na sa akin, Ma'am Bay Piskot. Sabi ni Ma'am, ni Honey ngayon, halika, meron kang parcel. Sabi ko, ha? Ma'am Bay, I love it. Ang ganda, Ma'am Bay. Sos, Ma'am Bay. Ito yung mga gusto ko, Ma'am Bay. Mga ano to eh. Pantulog to, Ma'am Bay. Pantulog, pambahay. Ma'am Bay, ang ganda niya, oh. Ma'am Bay, ang ganda, oh. Kahit na sa kalungkutan ako, Ma'am Bay, look at me. Chin, 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 chin. Di mo, Ma'am Bay? Ayan, galing to kay Ma'am Bay Annabelle Pudan. Ayan. Happy birthday gift. Mickey Mouse, Louis Vuitton. Hala, ang ganda, Ma'am Bay. Malamig sa katawan. Thank you, Ma'am Bay. I love you, Ma'am Bay. I love you, Ma'am Bay. La 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 la. La 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 la. At saka ang gusto ko, yung kulay. Purple ba ito, Ma'am Bay? Is this purple, Honey?
What?
Purple color?
I can't tell. I can't see it.
Come here.
I tell you, Mami Kuku.
Purple. Purple ata to eh. Purple na may pagka-pink. Ayan. Mambe, thank you very much. I love you, Mambe. I love you, Mambe.